Hi, I'm Dr. John Smith, proficient in Chinese, English, Japanese, and Korean. I will continue to introduce myself in other languages. I am committed and compassionate physician specializing in internal medicine. 我致力于患者护理，专注于提供全面和个性化的治疗计划. 제 목표는 근거에 기반한 의학과 공감적 지원을 통해 환자의 삶의 질을 향상시키는 것입니다. Next, I will introduce you to other new characters from KreadoAI.
Greetings, I'm Chris Miller, a dynamic and engaging host with a talent for connecting with audiences. With a background in journalism and media, I bring stories to life with enthusiasm and authenticity. My goal is to inform, entertain, and inspire through compelling storytelling and interactive presentations.
Hello, I'm Taylor Brown, a professional athlete passionate about pushing my limits and achieving excellence in my sport. With years of rigorous training and competition experience, I aim to inspire others through my dedication, resilience, and sportsmanship. Excel.
Hi, I'm Emily Clark, an experienced attorney with a focus on corporate law and litigation. My commitment to justice and meticulous attention to detail drive my practice. I am dedicated to advocating for my clients' rights and providing strategic legal solutions to complex issues.
Hello, I'm Jane Doe, a dedicated and results-driven businesswoman with over a decade of experience in corporate strategy and management. My passion lies in transforming innovative ideas into successful ventures.
Hello, I'm Morgan Lee, a visual artist devoted to exploring the beauty and complexity of the human experience through my work. My art is a blend of contemporary techniques and traditional influences, aiming to evoke emotion and provoke thought. I am passionate about creating pieces that resonate with and inspire my audience.
Hello, I am a software engineer named Alex with a strong background in developing scalable and efficient code. I specialize in full-stack development and have a keen interest in emerging technologies.
Hi, I'm Jordan Davis, an investigative journalist with a passion for uncovering the truth and delivering impactful stories. With a strong commitment to journalistic integrity and thorough research, I aim to shed light on important issues and give a voice to the voiceless. My mission is to inform and empower the public through accurate and compelling reporting.